number 1, the United States, a liberal experiment with contradiction. The United States, with its founding documents like the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution, is often considered the birthplace of modern liberalism. Its emphasis on individual rights, limited government, and popular sovereignty have been influential worldwide. However, the American experience also highlights the tensions and contradictions within liberal thought. Strengths. The U.S. boasts a strong tradition of individual rights and freedoms, including freedom of speech, religion, and association. It has a vibrant civil society and a dynamic, innovative economy that has attracted people from all over the world. Challenges. Despite its emphasis on equality, the U.S. struggles with significant economic disparities, racial tensions, and political polarization. Debates range on about the role of government in healthcare, social welfare, and environmental protection. Case study 2. Canada, a mosaic of liberalism and communitarianism. Canada, like the U.S., has a strong liberal tradition. However, it distinguishes itself with a greater emphasis on communitarianism, a philosophy that stresses the importance of community and social cohesion. This is reflected in its robust social safety net, universal healthcare system, and commitment to multiculturalism, which recognizes and celebrates the country's diversity. Strengths. Canada's universal healthcare system is often held up as a model for other countries. Its social safety net provides a cushion for those facing economic hardship, and its embrace of multiculturalism has fostered a society where people from all over the world can feel at home. Challenges. Despite its successes, Canada faces challenges in addressing regional disparities, ensuring the rights of Indigenous peoples, and balancing economic growth with environmental protection. Case study 3. The United Kingdom, a long and winding road of liberal evolution. The United Kingdom's relationship with liberalism is a long and complex one. It has seen periods of classical liberalism with emphasis on free markets and limited government, as well as periods of social liberalism with its focus on social justice and welfare provision. The UK's recent history has been marked by the influence of neoliberalism with its push for deregulation and privatization. Strengths. The UK is a parliamentary democracy with a strong tradition of civil liberties and the rule of law. Its cultural and scientific contributions have had a global impact. Challenges. The UK grapples with growing economic inequality, regional disparities, and the political and economic fallout from its decision to leave the European Union, also known as Brexit. Case study 4. India, liberalism's test in a diverse democracy. India is the world's largest democracy, a complex and diverse nation with a rich cultural heritage. Its constitution enshrines fundamental rights and freedoms, reflecting the influence of liberal thought. However, India also faces significant challenges in upholding these principles. Strengths. India's vibrant democracy, linguistic and religious diversity, and burgeoning economy are all testaments to its potential. Challenges. Poverty, inequality, and discrimination based on caste and religion continue to plague Indian society. The country also faces challenges in protecting freedom of speech and press in the face of rising nationalism and political polarization. Liberalism around the globe, a variety of expressions. These are just a few examples of how liberalism has taken root in different parts of the world. From the individualistic ethos of the United States to the communitarian spirit of Canada, from the evolving political landscape of the United Kingdom to the vibrant democracy of India, liberalism is not a monolithic ideology, but a diverse set of principles that can be adapted and interpreted in different ways. As we have seen throughout this course, liberalism is a complex and multifaceted philosophy with a rich history and a wide range of application. It's a philosophy that has shaped our world in profound ways, and it continues to spark debate and discussion today.